Hey everybody, so today finds us in Burnsville, North Carolina, and we're going to check out the Lamppost Vintage Market and the Sawmill General Store. Follow us. Oh, dresses.
We got some sweet new moves. They're only asking $30 for these gorgeous boutique style dresses.
Wow.
Here they've got some scrapbooking, crafting stuff. That's such a gorgeous piece of art with the silk flowers falling out of the teacup. It's gorgeous. Very nice venues in here.
Yeah.
And the furniture, how they have it, how they have their furniture set up. Look at this, let's say, vintage card. Gorgeous vintage card. Vintage little cups. in this lovely setting.
They got this Co-Appalachian Trail shirt in here from Maine to Georgia, and then a hunting shirt, which turkey season's right around the corner. Stephanie's going, oh God. And then some really cool shirts here.
They have beautiful like Bible verses on them, or really encouraging words on them. Calendar. There's like 40 vendors in here.
Right? Hey, they have food. Like sourdough maple donut bites.
Cupcakes. Beautiful cupcakes.
Yeah, they got flowers on them, looks like.
Free range chicken eggs.
Huh.
Soup mixes. Look at those, honey.
Yeah.
Mashed potatoes. Wonderful.
Look at all these old knobs.
They're gorgeous porcelain knobs. I like these, Lee.
They're $3.99 a piece. What do you like?
Look what I'm pulling out. If I can get them.
Wrought iron handles.
This is what I'm loving. What do they want for these things? $12.99. The rest of these, they have all different kinds.
They're $3.99.
$3.99 a piece. It's just stunning.
I am a child of God.
It's just stunning. The displays.
Everything.
Very, very tastefully done. Well done, vendors. Now look at that big chicken. He's only $18. If we still had the farmhouse, I'm coming home with me.
That's not chicken.
Rooster.
That's a big
Rooster. I love this. Look at these sheets. Look at that sheet set. That's gorgeous. And
does everyone like how Stephanie deflected there?
oh,
little bunny.
yes, please.
Which reminds me, Stephanie got 2 pillowcases the other day and she still hasn't filled them.
I will. I certainly will. This reminds me, get on that. Seeing Yvonne in this. Yvonne needs this in her life. It's little Beatrice Potter.
Yeah, with
little Peter Rabbit.
With an Easter bonnet.
Oh, yeah. Oh, cute.
And Stephanie found a raccoon.
It's Mavis's cousin.
Okay, so Stephanie is officially a wooden spoon survivor.
That is true.
Are you not?
That is true. All the books that broke all those poor wooden spoons.
What'd you find?
Don't be a part of the problem. Be the whole problem.
So I really have to say this. Today, this was not the plan. But as we were driving along, we came upon Burnsville and just happened to be here.
Babe,
so
That's a Steph-N-Lee day for you. God just points the car.
That's it.
Look at that artwork. That's gorgeous. What? Clever, gorgeous. Look at that print. I want that
Yeah, Stephanie
in
wants
my life.
She wants the cow on the couch.
So bad. So bad. Oh, bucket of drops. And big baskets. Old phones. Coffee grinders. Rolling pins. Butter churns. This is my happy place. Look at the stuff hanging lanterns. Oh, boy.
You like that little bunny rabbit? Little bunny.
$2.
So,
Antique Chinese baby feeding chair stroller. $160. Look at it. It's a bathtub. It's a wooden bathtub. It's a stroller.
see,
It's
no,
a chair.
I was thinking like you lifted this, it was a toilet.
Oh, I bet you it could be. You could. Oh my gosh, it feels like it could be.
Right?
Right. Crazy. Crazy. One of a kind thing.
We'll just call it a baby throne on wheels.
Baby thrown on wheels. Let's win.
More cute little bunnies.
Puppy. Found a puppy. I love her.
The poodle.
The thing that's not got a price tag on it is, of course, what I dig.
So now coming up some more steps.
Another level. Woohoo!
You dig that?
Yes, I love this big bolt of string.
Stephanie loves everything. If you haven't figured that out
This
yet.
is a little sewing and notions. That's a little sewing and notions box. I love that too. Why wouldn't I love that? I don't know.
Everything.
There isn't a good answer. Oh, yay. Yay.
Old fire truck.
Now they only want 18 something for that old fire truck. He looks great. Oh, look at these little kid pots and pans. Come on now. Yo-yos. Fun old-timey toys. Love it.
Stephanie and her twin.
I have to have you. I have a place for this. It doesn't take up a lot of room on the bed, does it?
With the cat and everything
Move
else.
over, Mavis.
Right now, apparently this part's called the Sawmill.
Super beautiful boutique style.
All right, so they got food items. Look at that old Pepsi Cola.
I wonder if it's still running. Yes, it is. There's some cool pops in there. It's still running. How cool is that?
Burnsville.
In the lamppost, the sawmill area of the dry goods general store here in Burnsville, there are about 10 to 12 vendors here on this side, and they do such a beautiful job.
Hey, they got Big League Chew. I haven't had any of that since I was in Little League.
Turkish Delight. Oh, yeah. Oh, look at this. It comes with the old-timey popcorn popper, honey, and all the different popcorns.
So back when I was a kid, if I was having a stressful day, I'd eat 2 or 3 boxes of those a day.
I love them. I love them. You could never tell when they were stale.
So see, if you get tired of shopping, you can take a little nap in this room.
They are
For
asking
real.
$300 for this full-size antique tiger oak bed, headboard and footboard. That's a terrific price. $300. Of this piece here is sold. Of course, the dresser and tiger wood, they look like they go together.
Yeah.
But then they got these stunning wing backs. These look in very good condition.
You know, Stephanie's the only one that likes wing backs.
They are so comfortable.
No.
Yes, they are.
It's the glass in the door.
Ooh, funky. Let's go into the jelly room. This is called the pantry room. Well done, you.
Yeah, got lots of jams, jellies, pie fillings, sugar, flour.
Old school brand. Old school brand and Das Jamhaus.
Das Jamhaus.
Das Jamhaus. Sounds like a heavy metal German band.
This just keeps going and going and going.
That's another little precious little boutique
Yeah,
area. Look at that little apron. This is so perfect. Look at these little jewelry pieces. Little chickens with boots on. Right? And the little barn quilt earrings. How cool is that?
My.
I just can't get enough of how cute this stuff is.
We got a quilt closet. Looks like Afghans to me so far. Oh, there's the quilts. Another room. This one's bright with the lights.
Yeah, down to the light fixtures. It's not just the decor and the merchandise, it's the light fixtures. Super cute. Some of the vendors are stocked for spring and getting rid of their winter stuff. There's lots of sales going on.
Yeah, cute little bear.
That's an awesome fireside basket with a bunch of cute dollies. I want one of all of them. Looky here. She's quilting. There's a quilting doll. Come on. How sweet.
So, babe, what do you think of the lamppost vintage and the Sawmill?
Antiques.
Yeah.
So it reminded me of home of a place called A Street of Shops, and
Yes.
it was just like meandering through, right?
Yeah.
A street of old brick homes, and
Right. Well, and
the booths were so well done.
so it's not just antiques. There's a lot of
Boutique style clothing, soaps,
food.
incense,
Food.
records.
Yeah. There's a lot of really cool stuff in there.
Just super coolness.
Right.
And every boutique or every booth had its theme.
Right.
Very well done.
Yep.
Loved the vibe. The people in there that were at the desks, there's a couple stories of it. I mean, I think we were on two or three stories.
I kind of lost count how many times we went up and down steps.
You don't mind getting lost in a place like
No,
this.
no. So we're going to show you what Steph got at the end of this video, but we did want to do our finish now.
Okay.
'Cause I'm tired of getting beat up by the wind today. So we want to thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, have a Steph-N-Lee day.
So I got the sweetest stickers ever. You know how I feel about Valentine's? Well, I feel the same way about images, vintage images from Easter.
Yeah,
Precious, right?
they're pretty precious.
Look, there's a little Debbie. I also got my candy cigarettes.
Yeah, because I won't let her smoke anymore.
So I've been quit smoking for how long now, Lee?
Since October last year.
October. Yay me.
So now she's going to be a 2-pack a day candy cigarettes. Only when times are tough.
And then I found this green transferware. So can you see the image on it? It's got a cabin.
Yep.
And this one has a Firkin bucket on it, or a well bucket. Anyhow, what I remember of this green transferware is that you could get it with gas points. So like you would cash in your points from getting gas at the gas station, and they would give you dishes. And that had to have been a 60s thing, maybe a 50s, 60s thing. But those were the plates that came from gas points back in the day.